Okay, today we're going to give you a handy tip. Some days you have something, like I do, big old generator or something that you need to get gasoline out of, and you need to set it up and try to suck it out of there. I don't like to use my mouth on a toes and try to suck it out that way. I don't know if you knew about this or not, but we got some gasoline in here. We just got a simple little gas line stuffed down into the tank and air compressor, little hose. All you have to do is run it up across it, blow across the end of it, and voila, you'll see water's flowing out of it. I hope we can see that. It's will flow until she's done, so I need to keep it down enough to get it. Hopefully we can see that. It's a little sunny out here, so that works pretty good. We can drain that fuel tank right on out. Keeps you good. But if you have something a little bit bigger, will it work for that? Well, it will. We got a 5-gallon bucket and I don't know, 5/8 hose, something like that. And you could take this one and do the same thing off of it and kind of get the right angle. Sometimes it takes a little bit more on these bigger hoses, but get the right angle on the hose. And there it goes. It's flowing. It'll drain the old bucket out, no time at all. So yeah, just using a little bit of vacuum off of that. So that's how you do it without getting it in your mouth and get it off of a tank someplace. I don't know, maybe you'll find that useful. I have to do it every now and then when I have someplace I can't get it out of the tank without a little siphon hose, a carburetor or something like that even. So that's how you start a good siphon, with a little bit of air pressure out of your air compressor. So tip of the day. Talk at you in the next one.